Fat freeze refers to the process known as cryolipolysis. This refers to fat cells being frozen to sub-zero temperature, causing natural cell death, and this natural cell death is permanent. So fat cells are now eliminated from the body through the body's natural detox mechanism. Most people will need one single session to see improvement, but depending on the thickness of the fat, most people will need 2 to 3 sessions done about 2 months apart each time for the best results. Typically, one single session result is seen after 4 to 6 weeks onwards. So there are currently 2 technologies in the market that's very famous. One is Coolsculpting and one is Cooltech. So the difference are actually minimal. The key difference are that Coolsculpting comes from the USA and is FDA approved, and Cooltech comes from Europe and is EU approved. Both technologies will reduce 25 to 28% of fat cells in one single session, and the results are permanent. There is 90% satisfaction rate, and there's over 1 million treatment done for both technologies. Fat freeze can be used on the body as well as the double chin area. For the double chin area, it can be used just under the chin or the side of the neck to achieve a slimmer jaw contour. For the body, there are many areas that can be treated. The process of fat freezing includes suction of the fat tissues into the applicator, followed by the sub-zero temperature that is used to kill off the fat cells. Use of fat freezing in unauthorized centers can be very dangerous. So there is a rare side effects of fat freeze known as PAH. However, we are unable to predict who will be prone to PAH based on studies done so far. If PAH is indeed diagnosed, the treatment recommended is surgical removal of the fat, meaning liposuction. Those people who have successfully achieved very good results after fat freeze, meaning they remove the fat from the tummy, the love handles, the bra fat, the thighs, and you notice your skin starts to look flabby because of the fat loss. So we will recommend doing the magnetic RF treatments to tighten back the skin of these areas. Liposuction is really not popular in Singapore. Most people may realize that there is a high risk. Liposuction treatment are actually ultrasound waves that target the fat cell's membrane and damage it, causing the cells to burst. So as a result, the fat cells are permanently destroyed. Whereas fat freezing uses cryolipolysis or sub-zero temperature to freeze the fat cells to death. Nowadays, we will combine the 2 treatments to achieve faster results, meaning for people with more lumpy fat or harder fat, we can use cavitation to soften the fat cells on the top layer first before proceeding with fat freezing for the lower level fat cells.